Back-to-back meetings, endless scrolling. We fixed that. Introducing the brand new calendar view in Fluent Booking, designed to keep your schedule organized and manage appointments better. And the best part, you get to choose how you want to see it, whether it's a monthly overview, a detailed weekly schedule, or a day view. It helps you to stay on top of your time and hit your goals. Now, let's dive into each view and see exactly how it helps you manage appointments better. When you get into the calendar view page, you will see that the month view is set by default. This gives you a quick heads up of your entire month and instantly helps you spot your busy days and plan accordingly. From the top navigation bar, you can quickly see upcoming appointments, track completed or cancelled ones, or tap all for a full overview. But if you want more control, you can check your personal meetings, search for specific events, and even filter your calendar by event type. Plus, you can view all meetings, including your host schedule, right at your fingertips. Okay, let's switch to the weekly view. It gives you a detailed look at your week, helping you plan daily tasks, allocate time efficiently, and keep track of progress. Well, day view shows your schedule hour by hour, from quick calls to back-to-back sessions. It lays out your whole day so you are never unprepared. Need more flexibility? Custom view gives you control to set any range you like, whether it's on a given day, any specific week, or a month. You can view the appointment details right from the calendar. Besides, if you click on View Booking, it will redirect you to the booking details page instantly. Along with the invitee and meeting details, you also get a complete 360-degree view of your bookings. And that's how Calendar View takes the stress out of managing your appointments. With all your schedules organized and easy to access, you are in full control of your time. The good news, even more features are on the way to make booking faster, simpler, and smarter. Don't wait, get Fluent Booking now.